Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so installations go smoothly. Check that your laptop runs a supported Windows or Mac OS release and install any pending system updates. Next, sign into or create a Microsoft account. This lets you manage licenses and sync settings. Once done, choose where to get apps Microsoft Store for single apps Office, Com for web installs, or your Microsoft 365 subscription for full suite downloads. Make sure you have administrator access before proceeding to downloads. Now you'll download and install the apps you need. If you prefer the Microsoft Store, open it, find each app, and click Install. Accept any admin prompts that appear. This ensures files land in program files. For Microsoft 365 subscribers, sign into your account, go to Services and Subscriptions, select Install and follow the installer. It bundles apps and applies your license. On a Mac, use the App Store or the Office. Com installer. Run the package and follow steps to finish. Keep the installer open until completion. Finish by activating and configuring your apps so they stay up to date. Sign into each app with your Microsoft account to activate the license and enable syncing. Once signed in, open Update Settings in Store or Office account update options and turn on automatic updates to get security fixes. If an app won't start, try the repair option in Settings or uninstall and reinstall. If problems persist, check firewall rules, ensure enough disk space, and reboot. These steps fix most installation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.